Hi, in this video I will show you maybe the most wanted feature, support of tab groups. Tab groups are currently available in the Chrome and Edge browser. For the first time you activate tabXpert having any tab groups, or if you don't have yet any tab groups, you can find this option here. Full support of tab groups. You will have to install the special extension tabXpert helper. It's a temporary solution until we redesign the main extension in the next year. So once you have it installed, now tabXpert is gonna save all your groups. So you can see there is a session, so let's close this session here and let's open this session. Yes, tab groups has it restored automatically. So this option is available for all users, including free users. But real magic actually start happening for subscribed users. So let's see what we've got there. So first, I just logged in. So first, you've got a wonderful UI. So you can see here in the UI you have almost the same design as in Chrome, and you can manage, and you have a lot of features. So let's review these features. So maybe let's create some group somewhere. Okay, so maybe let's ungroup here in the context menu. We can ungroup. Let's select some tabs, click here, add tabs to the group, new group. Here you can see this is an untitled group, and it has some different presentation. Let's create a couple of groups here. So it has different presentation when it's collapsed and expanded. In the options here you will find how it looks. By default it looks like this, so it has untitled group name, but I personally prefer it to be just empty, and when it collapses I want to see tab icons like this. Now we can click the right button, give some name, color, and the same as in Chrome. Now let's try to add some tabs into the groups here. I can select and move to the group. There is a pointer, as you can see here. So this is, I'm just adding between, not in the group, but if I want to add a tab in the group, it will look like this here. Drag and drop works perfectly for groups. You can just drag group right away, or you can select tabs with group and move it somewhere else like this. In the context menu of active tabs you can expand all groups and collapse all groups. Also you can move to a new session, so let's move to a new session here. So I just move it to a new session, and when we merge sessions, let's merge this one, tab groups are also merged here, you can see. And the same when we make a copy, tab groups are also get copied. Also we can merge groups, like for example here. Let's move this to this one. Yep, it was just merged. We can create new groups from selected closed tabs or bookmarks here, right mouse, open as a new group, for example in the focused session. Also we can add to existing groups. So let's add these tabs to this group 888 here. We can copy paste groups. For example, let's copy this group here and paste it here. And the same, we can copy a group and paste it as tabs here. Also, we can save a group as a folder here, bookmark, add to new folder, and yes, now folders have a color. You can select it here, and there is a shortcut. Let's delete this folder. There is a shortcut. We can save this as a folder and close right away. Yep. So this is our folder, and when we need, we can open this. Okay, this is a closed session, so let's open this session first. And now let's open and select succession as a new group. We just open a group from a folder. Let's see what options we have here. Okay, let me first show you these two options: group tabs automatically and ungroup tabs automatically. So when we start browsing, for example, in Google search, when we create child tabs, it can automatically group. So this is this one, group automatically options, this one. And if we have only one tab left, it will ungroup automatically. And there is one trick. So let's see, what if I need to add a new tab into this group? If I click here, it will not be in the group. So there is a trick. I need to click here and say new tab on the right, and it will be included into this group. There is one option not directly related but to tab group, but very helpful. So let's see what if I walk here in a group, and now I want to open, I don't know, a bookmark, for example. Here I am close, open bookmark. So you can see it opens at the end and not in the group, so we will have to drag into this group. It's not really convenient. In this regard, we have an option in the tabs section. It's called open tabs and bookmarks next to the current tab. So not only it will open next to the bookmark, next to the current tab, but it will automatically add to the current group. Yes, so it was open right here and added to our current group. And it's time for the most amazing option. It's called tab group focus management. First, let me show how it looks without this option. So you open a group, click, find your tab, click, open, find your tab, click. So it's a lot of time is wasted to find your last tab and activate this last tab. What this option does, it remembers the last tab in the group and focus it automatically and collapse all groups when you're out of. So now it's called collapsed. You know, we have more space here, and when we click into the group, it automatically focuses on the last tab. So just one click and that's it. It's really helpful. I've been working for some time with this option. It saves a ton of time. That's probably it. If you like it, I would appreciate a 5-star feedback on Chrome Web Store. You will find a link here. And it's a complex development, so if you find any bugs or have any suggestions, do not hesitate to write me an email here. Thank you.